Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you saw the video a couple weeks ago I posted with the 30-day abs challenge, I love how excited you guys were about that mini challenge because those are my favorite thing to do. So for the month of October, I'm gonna be doing a 31-day booty challenge and I want you guys to do it with me. I did this last year as well and it was so much fun because if you remember that photo, yeah, it wasn't my best butt. Like every time I see that, I'm like, you know what? I love my body. It's great, but I know that my butt is capable of looking better and being stronger. And so I put a huge focus on it this year, really on the nutrition side of things, and what I was eating and how I was growing and shaping my butt and on my workout. So I put together this challenge for myself really, but I want you guys to do it because I know that if you follow these 31 days with me, our butts are gonna look insane. And it's all about really building your best booty because all of our butts are unique. Our muscles are different, how we store fat is different, how we lean out, all of that stuff. So instead of thinking about trying to grow a Kim Kardashian booty, we're gonna focus on growing our best booties. This is gonna be so fun, you guys, and I really want you to do it with me. So I'm gonna put a link down below for you to get signed up. It's totally free to join the challenge, but we need each other, this accountability. So the way I planned this out was I wanted to do bonus moves every single day for the 31 days of October, that whole month. And last year I did this because I wanted to look really great in my Halloween costume, which this year is probably not happening so much, but I just want to look great and feel great all the time. So we're gonna have daily bonus moves that you can get for free. They're gonna be in Love Sweat Fitness, the app. So we'll have a whole challenge section in there if you guys haven't done one with me before. And your moves are gonna be in there every single day. So all you have to do is open it up. You'll get your booty bonus move. And then there's also the free daily 10-minute workout. So I definitely recommend doing both of those. It's really gonna make a huge difference. And then I'm also gonna be doing the premium version of the app. So that's the full workout program. That's my personal training program. So just doing the bonus moves and the daily 10 is gonna be amazing. But if you wanna see mind-blowing change in 31 days, definitely download the app premium version and you can get a free trial too. So I'll put that down below for you guys. Do it for a month. See how you feel. See all the changes you're gonna be making. It's gonna be really, really awesome. And these moves are targeted for each part of your booty. We have 3 different big old muscles back there that are kind of lazy. So I'm gonna be teaching you how to wake them up. And for me, I really like to work on lifting kind of that shelf of my butt. So every week of this challenge, we're gonna focus on either lifting, getting the shelf on the top, lifting from the bottom and rounding it out, and then shaping and sculpting from the side. So really targeting each of these different muscle groups so that you can work on a beautiful rounded peach. Building out and programming this challenge was so much fun because I just think about what do I need? What do I want? And I know it's gonna be a game changer for you guys too. So the 31 days is really straightforward in the app, easy to follow along, free to download. So make sure you guys get that and I'll put the sign up down below too. But nutrition's super, super important. If you are trying to lose weight, if you're trying to build muscle, and if you're trying to change the composition, the shape of your body, workouts alone aren't gonna do it. So you have to couple it with nutrition. And that's what I really had to focus on this last year to go from that booty to my current booty, which looks more like that. And I mean, it really does make a huge difference because it will impact, cellulite and fat and muscle and everything else that's going on to really sculpt and shape your perfect butt. So the Hot Body Meal Plan is what I've been following pretty much all year long as my staple always. But I did something special for this challenge because I wanted to make sure that I gave you guys the best nutrition for building your butt specifically. So right now, if you guys already have the Hot Body Meal Plan, you're gonna get this. If you don't have it, when you buy the Hot Body Meal Plan for this challenge, you're gonna get a free booty building ebook. It's called Cutie with a Booty, because you're gonna be a cutie with a booty. And it has all the things you need to know about nutrition for building a booty, just about your butt in general and the muscles and how they work and how to shape them. So it's an amazing tool that you get to have totally for free. So you'll have your 4-week meal plan plus this booty specific ebook that's gonna be such a game changer for you guys. And I'm just so freaking excited because over the next 31 days, again, we're starting October 1st, so it's the whole month of October, you're gonna see crazy changes happen on your butt. If you're doing the bonus moves every single day and you're doing the cutie with the booty nutrition and you're just sticking with those things, you guys, it's gonna be amazing what can happen in just 4 weeks. It's crazy. And if you've done challenges with me before, you know how crazy the changes can be in a short amount of time. So for the challenge, you don't necessarily need any equipment. These can all be done from home totally. I'm going to be using the LSF Resistance Booty Bands. Let me get them. All right, so it's the 3-pack of booty bands. You can get them in the Team LSF store. You get a light, a medium, and a heavy for like $11.99. Again, they're totally optional, but because our glutes are such big muscles, they need that resistance. They want something to stretch them, to push them, to change. So it's the best thing. You don't have to buy a bunch of dumbbells or a bunch of crazy workout equipment. They're tiny. They go in a little pouch. You can store them anywhere. And they're super cheap to be able to have serious resistance to add into your workouts. And I'll show you how to use them in your workouts in the app too for the challenge. And my favorite part of this entire thing, as always, is this freaking awesome Love Sweat Fitness community that is here to support you along the way. If you guys have been stuck at home like me, like for months and months and months, this community is literally the only thing that has kept me like sane and happy and focused, because I have all of you that I can talk to on a daily basis, check in with. I feel like I'm still connected to friends, even though I might not be seeing them every day. So like, it's just incredible to have that support system, not only for our workouts and challenges like this to help keep us accountable, but also just in life, to be able to develop new friendships with people that really understand you and get you. So if you guys saw my video a few weeks ago about my 45-pound weight loss, where I talked about like how hard it is losing friendships and struggling like conversations with family and stuff when you're trying to make big changes, like that's what this community is about, to be able to be a place where you know you can connect with people and you know they're gonna have your back and they're just gonna get you. And that's such a beautiful thing. So if you're not already following on Instagram, make sure you follow at Love Sweat Fitness. That's me. And also our at Team LSF page. That's really the community page. Search the hashtag Team LSF. I'll put all this below for you guys. But just search it and like see what these amazing women are doing and realize like that could be you, a part of this community, doing this challenge with us. We start on October 1st. It's totally free to join. There's gonna be awesome prizes too. I totally forgot to say that. There's amazing prizes. We're giving away 3 super cool prize packs and like little things all along the way throughout the month too, just for doing the challenge and for committing to the 31 days. So I want you to do this with me in case you didn't get that already. Together, I need your support too. Click the link below to get signed up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, click that button too, because new videos every single week for you guys. And next week, I'm gonna be sharing my fall morning routine, which I'm so excited about because although I love summer so much, like, let's be honest, fall cozies are the best. So I love you guys. I will see you in this challenge October 1st. Let's do it.